My name is Heather and I'm here to show you how to create your own special Easter grass bouquet. First of all, we're going to talk about the kind of seed to use. You can use wheatgrass, which comes here at Alden Lane in a 1-pound bag, or you can use a smaller pack if you're only doing a small little basket or a small pot. We also carry ryegrass seed, and ryegrass is a finer bladed grass than the wheatgrass. So the next thing to consider is the type of container you want to use. We carry a nice assortment of glass vases that you'll see here. We also carry these darling little bunny cups, and we have colored glass containers too. You pretty much need a container that's 2 to 3 inches deep. You do want to select a container that doesn't have a drainage hole, because we like to keep the grass somewhat consistently moist in order to germinate and continue to grow. I also like clear glass because if you're doing this project with kids, you can see how the roots emerge and keep on growing. So now we need to put some soil in our containers. You want to use potting soil, not planting mix, and not a soil amendment. You want to use something that actually says for containers or pots on the package. Now we're going to put the dirt in, and I like to just use my hands because I don't mind getting dirty, and that's why this is a fun project for the kids. I'm going to take a little bit of the dirt out so that there is enough room for watering and for the water to settle into the grass. So now I have my container filled with dirt, and I need to put my seed in. You don't need a lot of seed to sprout this. I'm going to take a handful and cover the surface with about 1 seed thickness. And that's all the seed I need for this jar. So now we have our seed in the jar, and we need to get the moisture on it. I like to use a squirt bottle and spray it. And you want to spray it till it's really thoroughly moistened, but you don't want to put so much water on it that the water runs over the container or collects way down in the bottom. So the reason we drain the water out is that we don't want extra water sitting in the bottom, which can cause a problem with rot and make our little cute bouquet a little bit smelly. The next question you probably have is, how long does it take the seed to germinate? It'll take 5 to 7 days to sprout up, and then it takes about 10 to 14 days to get this big. This jar was started about 2 weeks ago, and I have trimmed it since it started growing. It's really easy to trim your Easter grass. Just take your container, tip it to the side, and get a nice sharp scissors and trim it up. It's as easy as that. And that will keep your Easter grass looking pretty for a longer period of time. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial on Easter grass. We have all the supplies you need. Come on in and we can help you put your project together.